Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our afternoon live trading session. So, this is the session where um, we analyze the market and place trade together. Okay. So as usual, I have my co-host with me. We have Biodo here. Biodo, please say hi to our viewers.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm happy to be here again today. I'm always happy to be in this live stream because I tend to learn a lot of things, and I hope it's the same with you too. All right. If you have any question as usual, please drop it in the chat room, and I'll be here to read it out. If you also have any suggestion for Mr. Leo on the kind of trade you should analyze, please also ask. Now, this live stream is actually for beginners. So we are teaching everyone from the scratch. If you're a learner, please pay attention to every detail. If there's any word used that you don't understand, don't feel too shy or don't feel too big to actually ask. We are all here to learn. Even Leo is learning, I am learning, everyone is learning. And we have a common goal to make money together. So, and the only way to make money is by learning how to trade. Now, you can do it in two ways. You can learn how to trade and also make money by joining our premium signal group. So you already know how it goes. If you are new to this, look out for the banner for different ways you can join the premium signal group. All right, enjoy your class, guys. Let me not take all of your time.
Thank you very much, Biodo. Guys, so if you're just joining us for the first time, don't worry. I'm going to make um, a brief summarization of what we are doing here, okay? So that we'll be able to carry you along. All right? And I'll advise you, please fund your account on this live stream, okay? Go to the chat room right now, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on, okay? Fund at least 10, 15, or $200. Anyone you are capable of funding, okay? Now the difference is if you fund $5, if you fund $10, um, I'll keep you active in my premium group for just 2 weeks. That is 14 days. All right. But if you fund up to $15, then you stay active in the group for 30 days. That is one whole month. All right. And if you have the capability to fund up to $200, you get even better benefit. Okay. You don't just stay in the premium group, you also get a one-on-one session with me. All right. A live session with me where I'll be teaching you so many other different things. Okay, aside what we do here on this live stream. In fact, you can ask for my personal strategy, the SMC strategy. I'm going to reveal everything to you. Okay, so this is also for the beginners also. So if you're a beginner, you are just joining us for the first time, please fund your account with at least $10 or $15. All right, come and join our premium group. So when you're on the premium group, you get signals every day. Okay, so on this live stream session, you come to the live stream to learn. All right, so this platform is more like um a learn and earn session, a learn and earn platform. Okay, you come to the live stream, we make analysis together, you see how everything works, and then on the premium group we make money there. That is our money making channel. All right, so I'm just waiting for my BtcDana app to come up so that I can show you just few things to get you started. All right, this thing no hard at all, you understand? Just follow my steps. After doing everything on the app, just go into your own app and try doing the same thing also. Okay, so I don't want to bore you with a beginner lesson on forex trading. Okay, so as I've said earlier, I'll advise you come and join my premium group. So I'll just show you how you can actually open trade. All right, things you need to know, and just the important aspect of trading. All right, things a beginner should know before actually trading. Aside making analysis, all right, aside making analysis, you need to get familiar with the platform you want to use, isn't it? Yes. So you need to get familiar with the platform. Once you are familiar with the platform, then you know what to do. Yes. But right now, if you don't know what you are doing, then how do you want to open trade? So that is what we are going to be doing on this session. All right. And then after that, we are going to analyze the market together. And then if we get any opportunity, we are going to be opening positions. Okay. Okay, so my screen is up now. Let me share my trading application screen. So guys, you'd have to bear with me. I know it's a bit small, all right? But let's just do this, okay? So this is the home page of the BTC Dana trading application. All right, this is the home page. So here they have the deposit. And guys, yes, I'm happy I brought you guys here. Let me just quickly show you something that is very important. Okay, so if you want to fund $10 or $15, please don't use here. Don't go back and come and use this. Okay, go to the Leo live trade. Okay, go there. You see a banner. In fact, let me show you the banner. Let me just quickly show you that. Okay, so you see this is the banner. All right, you see this deposit with benefit. This is the banner you are using. So when you click on the banner, it's going to take you to where you can fund um your account. Okay, so guys, then let me go back to the home page so that I can show you what I want to show you. All right, come on. Let's go back. Okay, okay, so here is the home screen. Okay, then they have the demo also. This is for training. Okay, for training purpose. Say maybe you want to start making analysis yourself. You want to replicate whatever we do here on the live stream. Okay, on this live session. You want to start making analysis on your own. So when you make analysis, even though you have a real fund, okay, you can fund, as I've said on my premium on my live stream. Okay, fund at least $10 or $15 to join my premium group. So when we are live, or when I send signal to the premium group, go to your account this way. All right, so let's go to trading. Okay, you see this is the demo right now. So come to account, real account. Okay, and then click on real account. Okay, so this is the real account. All right, so when you click on the real account, then you go back to your market. All right, search for any trade I have left on the group. Search for any of it, then place your buy or your sell. Okay, so let's make an example. So let's say we want to trade. Let's say I sent a signal. Come on. So let's say I sent a signal on XAU USD. So if the signal is a sell, make sure to click sell. If the signal is a buy, click on buy. Okay, and then we have the take profit and the stop loss. All right, come on. All right. I I don't know why this is so slow, but let's try that one more time. Okay.
Is there a problem?
Oh, no, no, no.
Okay.
My app is just kind of slow. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Okay, let's use the demo. All right. Let's use the demo. I thought I logged into my real account. I don't know why I'm getting this. Okay, so we have the demo here. So let me just show you how this works on the demo. All right. So now, this is the home page. Okay. And if you want to take a trade, all you have to do is just come to this market. All right. You see those options below: market, trading, direction, and profile. Okay. Click on market. So you see, these are the popular instruments. Okay. Um, if you can't find the instrument here, so instead of you coming to all these areas to search, you can just use this search box. Okay, just click here and then type out any instrument you want to trade. Okay, so if you're on my premium group and I drop a signal, if the signal is let's say the signal is GBP USD, just come to this search and search for GBP USD. You see, it brought out GBP USD. Then you click on the GBP USD, and then it takes you to the GBP USD chart, right? So you see, we are on the chart right now. So we have the buy and then we have the sell. All right. So somebody was asking me on our Telegram session in the morning that what is the difference between sell limit and buy limit? Guys, it's very easy. So in case if you were the one that asked the question in the morning, if you are here, please pay attention to this. Okay. So let's assume that I don't know why this is tissue. Okay. I haven't changed to demo. So let me change to demo. All right. Okay. So now this is GBP USD. So let's say we want to buy GBP USD now. Then we have a buy limit. All right. So let's say we have a buy limit here. We want the market to come down to this area. Okay. We want the market to come down to this area. Or let's just say I have a buy limit of, let's say I have a buy limit. I've already given you the buy limit digits to enter, the price zone we want the market to buy from. Okay. So let's say we have a buy limit of 1.20818. Okay. So I'm doing this so that when you join my premium group and then I drop a signal for a buy limit, it doesn't look strange to you. So right now, let's say I have a buy limit order on GBP USD. Okay, a buy limit. Then I have a take profit, that is TP, of let's say, I don't know why my app is so slow. But guys, please just bear with me, okay? So let's say I have a take profit of,
Sorry, Leo, your app will be a bit
yes.
slow because of the Nox player that you are running it from.
Oh,
This is not directly from phone. So,
yes, yes.
don't be
Thank you very
surprised.
much.
That's why. Yeah. But
Thank you
it's
very
on
much
phone,
for your
it will be
concern.
super fast. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right. That's right. Guys, please, you need to bear with me, okay? I just need to show you this quickly, all right? Because I got a lot of questions this morning about how to use the app. Okay, that is why I want to make this. So, guys, please, just pay attention. I know before the end of everything I'm explaining, it will make sense. Okay. So right now let's say I'm giving out a signal for a buy limit, okay, and then the number on the buy limit, the entry price is 1.20818. Then we have a take profit of 1.21297. Then we have stop loss. Stop loss, that is SL, okay? Stop loss of 1.21187. So now, here's what to do. It's a buy limit, yes. So let's assume that after my analysis, this is where I want the market to get to give me a buy position. So what I have to do, all I have to do is just click on this buy. So now that I clicked on the buy, you see we have position, then we have pending order. Okay. So since it's a buy limit, it's not an instant executed trade. Okay, it's a trade that will be executed later. Okay, so it's going to be a pending order. Okay, it's going to be a pending order. So it's going to be pending until it gets to that price where it's going to get triggered. All right. So now I go to pending order. Then I want to choose the lot size I want to use. And guys, please, if this is your first time, you have to be very, very careful with the volume you use. Okay. This is where you protect your capital. This is where you apply risk management. Okay. So let's say you have a balance of less than maybe from 10 to $50. Okay, I always advise my students to use 0.01. That is the smallest. Okay, so this is more like when you go to buy a pen now. Okay, you want to buy one pen. So let's say maybe one pen costs 15 naira. All right, if you are buying 10, that means you are spending how much? You understand? So that's just it. So if you click on this, that is 10 times of this. All right, if you click 0.10, if you want to use volume of 0.10 now, that is 10 times of 0.01. Okay, and that is too high. All right, so stay with 0.01 as a beginner, and if your balance is less than $50, stay with 0.01. It's just an advice. If you want to go against that, there's no problem. All right, it's up to you. Then we have an enterprise. You see where it says enterprise? That is the price where I want the market to go down to and trigger my buy position. Okay, and I've already gotten my entry point, so I'm just going to edit this and enter the price point I want it to get to give me a buy trade. All right, so now all I have to do is just delete all of these numbers, then enter 1.20818. Okay, then you see this button. This is your SL and TP button, your stop loss and take profit. Okay, so stop loss and take profit are just for money management also. Okay, so this stop loss is when you have so let's say maybe we took this trade and the trade goes against us. Okay, so there will be that particular point where you want the market to get to, and then stop you from losing more. All right, so that is what stop loss is all about. Then we have take profit. All right, it's just a point where if you are making profit, okay, when it gets to this point, give me my profit and close the trade. All right, that is take profit. So stop loss is very important in case the market goes against you. All right, so when you set your stop loss, you don't lose all of your money. So if you are risking maybe let's say $1 from $10, then you want to set a stop loss with maybe since you are using 0.01, then you have 10 pips stop loss. Okay, so now we have a stop loss, and I've already written that out. That is 1.21187, right? Then we have a take profit. We have a take profit of okay, take profit of 1.21297. Okay, so then you click on the buy. Okay, but you see something happened. It says set marks. So my stop loss, I don't know if this guy is here. Somebody was asking me on our Telegram session. He says every time he try setting stop loss or take profit, it doesn't work. So this is the reason why it's not working. Right now, he wants me to increase my stop loss. All right, because he's trying to tell me where I've set my stop loss, the market can easily get there and take me out of the market. So he wants me to increase my stop loss a little bit so that when the market starts giving me drawdown, yes, this is close to this, so I can decide to go with this. All right. So let's just see. Okay, 20728. So let's enter that. 20728. Yes. So now if I click on buy, then I have a pending order on buy limit. Okay, I have a buy limit pending order. Okay. So it's supposed to show order valid, but I guess that's network. So you see now we have a pending order. All right, pending order here. So this market is not yet executed until it gets to that price point we've entered. All right. So when it gets there, then you see here it will start counting reading. Okay, reading either negative or positive, depending on if your analysis is right or wrong. All right. So guys, I hope you understand all of this. I hope you understand this. If there's any part you don't understand and you want me to re-explain all of these things, please let's know in the comment section. Okay. Just say I don't understand this aspect. All right. Then myself and Biodun would try to make better explanation. All right. So let me just assume that everybody gets what I've explained. So let's continue with our analysis. All right, because the main reason we are having this session is to analyze the market together. All right, and even as a beginner, you still need to you still need to know how to analyze the market before you can actually open position. Okay, so I'll make sure to also bring that to your level since you are just starting out. So let's go back to our screen now. Yes, this is where the real magic happens. All right, on the chart. This is called the forex chart. This is where you analyze the market and then get the direction or be able to predict where the market is heading to. All right. So as a beginner, I know looking at this market right now, you thought the market is going down. So immediately you place a sell position, then the market start to go up. That is because you don't have a proper orientation on market analysis. All right. So before you can actually place a trade, you need to know how to analyze the market. And analysis is very easy. Okay. Analysis are just combination of drawing support and resistance. Okay. So support is when the market is below. All right. Because in forex trading, there's always two direction. Okay, it's either the market is buying or the market is selling. So when the market is buying, it's because we have concentration of demand. We have a lot of people that want to buy. Okay, and when the market is selling, that means we have concentration of supply. That means there are a lot of people that want to sell from that particular price point. All right. So this area right now, we have a resistance. How do I know we have a resistance? The market came to this area and you see how it went down. Okay. In fact, this candle that touched the resistance area got sucked to the downside. All right. So anywhere you see, we call this a rejection. Okay, we call this a rejection. This is a candlestick chart. All right. So we call this rejection candle. So anytime you see candles like this with big wick, so here we have the body of a candle. Let me zoom out. Here we have the bodies of a candle and the wick of the candle. Okay. So the body is, see, where it is filled. Okay. This black is a sell candle, while the green is a buy candle. All right. So whenever you see green, then it's a buy. Then when you see black, then it's a sell. All right. The black candle is also called the bearish candle, while the green candle is called the bullish candle. All right. So as I've said, anytime you see rejections like this, anytime you see this, then the market is about to go down. All right. But you want to be very careful. Analysis are not that easy. Okay. So you need patience. That is why I'm advising you come and join my premium group. All right. Where you don't have to struggle for all of this. Struggle in making analysis, because right now I know, now that I'm saying it, it sounds as if I'm doing magic. Yes. I understand the feeling. All right. So come and join my premium group where you don't have to do all of these things yourself. You don't have to worry. All you have to concentrate on is how you are going to be placing trade on your BTC trading application. Okay. How you are going to enter a trade when I give the instruction. All right. So I'll just be making the analysis, and then if there's any part you don't understand, please let me know. Okay. So here we have this. The market came down from this level. Okay. So anytime we see an area where the market went down, then we want to mark out such area. Okay. Even though it's not as long as this, we can just do this. Okay. So the market has gone down from this area. So the market, you see how it's touching it right now, and the market is going down again. So we call this the resistance area. Okay. Then we also have a support area. So the market went down from this area, and that is how we got this box here. So now, anytime the market comes back into this box, the market is going to buy. All right, guys, this is just the easiest explanation on support and resistance. Okay. I don't want to make this hard on you guys. I don't want to start, mentioning things that is going to take forever to explain to you guys. So just have it in mind that anywhere you see a market rejecting this way, then we have, if the market rejected from the top to the downside, then we have a resistance around that area. If it gets rejected from below to the upside, then we have a support on that area. So right now we have support here. That is why this market moved to the upside. All right. So now this support and resistance area, they are our main point of interest. Okay, so let's say we have resistance here. Then we have the support. Yes. So they are our main point of interest. All right, because that is where we are looking out to place any trade. All right, that is where we are watching. Um, so take for example, we have a resistance here. All right. So let's say we don't have this. This hasn't occurred yet. The market hasn't moved to this resistance area and then start going down. So let's say maybe this is where we met the market. Okay. Immediately I saw this, I knew that the market is going to reverse from there. All right. So what I did is I drew this resistance box to this area. Okay, and wait for the market to buy back into that area. I know whenever the market gets into a resistance area, even though it's not going to go for long, but it will at least go for some times. Okay, and this is the 1 hour time frame. Every candle here is going to take 1 hour to finish printing. So just imagine for how long you could have been on this trade. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 hours trade, right? Imagine how much you could have made within 4 hours. Yes. So this is the easiest explanation on support and resistance. But please, if you don't understand, let me know. Then I can make another explanation. Okay, another brief explanation. So, but if you want to get you know, a deep learning on this, then fund your account with at least $200. All right. So if you fund up to $200, you get to have a one-on-one session with me where I'll make better explanations. All right. So my guys on the premium group, please make sure to secure your profit. All right. I wasn't watching the trade, but I knew it went up for some times, and now it's back to our entry. Yes. We are currently on XAU USD. Okay. So let's go back. Let's go back. Oh, I took out my analysis. That's very bad. Yeah, no problem. Let's make another analysis. So here we have Euro NZD. Okay. Here we have the Euro NZD. So right now I have this rejection. I have this rejection. So, and the market is currently approaching this rejection. So what I'll do is I'll just mark the area out. Okay. Can mark it out with a box or with just a line, but I prefer using the box because it's not just a price point. It's an so it's the whole area, not just a particular price point. All right. So now the 4 hour, the 3 hours candle market is approaching our previous resistance zone. All right. So when the markets get here now, I'll then be looking for another confirmation to start selling. And the confirmation I'll be looking out to get is a rejection candle. Okay, a rejection candle like this, where the market will just touch a resistance, and then the body of the candle will get sucked down. All right, something like this. Okay, something like this. Yes, something like this. I hope you guys can see this. All right, so let's continue with our analysis. All right. So right now I have we have this other block. Okay, we have this resistance area. All right. So we have this area, and I believe when this market gets to that point, it's going to start selling. All right. So let me check. Do we have? Okay. Okay. So we don't have any liquidity, any previous liquidity move. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So this market respected this area. And right now, I think this market is going to respect this area also. Yes. Okay. So the market is currently there. You see, the market is currently on that zone. So all we have to do right now is just to wait for confirmation before we take any, before we open any position. Okay. So I have my own strategy different from the general price action strategy. Okay. Different from the one I showed you earlier. So if I start doing my own, so you don't get confused. Okay. You don't feel like, what this guy showed us is different from what he's using now. So I use the SMC strategy. Most of my guys here, my people here they are already familiar with, my trading strategy. So if you're just joining us and you want to learn this, go and fund your account with at least $200. All right. So when you fund up to $200, you get a one-on-one session with me. So right now I'm waiting for this market to take this out. So when this gets taken out, then I get a proper confirmation for a downtrend. Okay. Then I can open a sell position. All right. So let's zoom in. Okay. So um we have a fair value gap and the market is respecting it. But since I don't have a confirmation for a change of direction, I'm just gonna leave this market, okay, and try analyzing another market. You see, I love confirmations so much. And as a forex trader, you need confirmation to enter a trade. Okay. If you're not getting confirmation, please don't take a trade blindly. First of all, you want to make analysis before you place any trade. Okay, so this is a previous analysis and the market is currently approaching this high. Okay, so we have a fair value gap. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I think yes, I drew this, I think, few days back where I said we have an order block around there. And I think the market is going to go to the order block, okay, mitigate it, and continue to sell to the downside. So right now, this market is buying, okay? But this is the 3-hour candle. It is bad. We can't take this trade. And the reason we can't take it is because of our stop loss. We don't want a wide stop loss just because we want to make this small profit. All right? This is the 3-hour time frame. So if we are going to get a drawdown here, the drawdown is going to be massive. Okay, the drawdown is going to be super massive. All right. So in case you don't understand what drawdown means, drawdown is when you are speculating that the market would go maybe upward movement. The market is still going to go up, but for sometimes it comes down a little bit, making you think maybe your analysis was wrong. In fact, if your stop loss is maybe um, around $10, you might even start seeing -8. Okay. Then when it gets to maybe -9, then the market will just start going up to your direction. So that is what we call drawdown, right? Drawdowns. So right now, the only opportunity we have here is a buy opportunity to this price zone. All right. But as I've said, we are not going to take this trade because the market is way above where we want to enter the trade from. All right. So let's look for another entry opportunity. Okay. So Euro NZD, let's go back to it. I think something is happening there. So you see how it's respecting that gap? The market is respecting this gap. All right. But I'm still waiting for confirmation here. I want this to get taken out. Okay, I want the market to go below this area. I want it to go below this line and then come back to fill maybe a fair value gap or um, an order block. Order block is also known as support and resistance. Okay, it's just a term used on the ICT. Okay, it's a term used by the ICT. So whenever you hear support, resistance, order block, don't get it mixed up. Okay, they are still talking about the same thing. So here I have this. So we have this liquidity. All right. Oh boy. I'm making the analysis on 3 minute time frame and I didn't even realize. Okay, yeah, let's just finish with the analysis. Sometimes it doesn't really matter if you are trading the lowest time zone. Okay. All right. So we have a gap around this area and see how the market is respecting the gap. This could have been our stop loss and this would have been our take profit. Yes. So, and right now you see how the market is making it move to the downside. The market is moving heavily. But this is the 3 minute time frame. Okay? The 3 minute time frame. So this is a very good trade opportunity, right? The market was going up initially, and then when it got to this area, see how the market reversed. Give us a change of character, and the market is respecting this gap, right? Right. So there's nothing much for us to do of the trend. Okay.
Leo. Okay, it seems Leo has been cut off for a while. Please and please, if you have questions, I've not been seeing questions since we started by 2 p.m. If you have questions, please do well to ask your questions so that I can let Leo know. If you are not asking questions, Leo will just feel you understand perfectly how to analyze and how to trade. And I know some questions are running through your mind right now, whether little or big, just drop it. When you drop it, you get to know it forever. Nobody can take it from you. And it's always good you learn how to trade yourself so that when you get a signal, you can easily see if the two are together and if the two are working for you. So, Leo, are you back?
Yes, thank you
All
very
right.
much. Yes, I had a little network glitch there. So, guys, let's continue. Let's continue with our analysis. So, I was just, showing you guys how this market respected everything here, and you see how the market is running to the downside right now. Okay, I wish we saw this earlier, but this is the 30-minute time frame. So I didn't expect the market to actually happen like this on the 30-minute time frame. You see, this is why it's very important that if you are making analysis, you want to check all of the whole of your time frame. All right, you can actually decide to choose maybe two. You can stay on the 4 hour and the 15 minute, right? Um, but the kind of trader that I am, I love to check my time frames. All right, so I start from the 4 hour down to the 1 hour, the 30 minute or the 15 minute. Okay, and then sometimes I even go as far as checking my 5 minute time frame also. Okay, so you see how the market respected everything that happened here. Yes, so that is how to make your analysis. Okay, so let's go to um, okay, so let's delete that. I think we should make fresh analysis here. Yes, Euro AUD. So let's make fresh analysis and see where the market is heading. So okay, I don't think we need to go up. All right. So this market is an uptrend. How do I know it's an uptrend? The market has been going up. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. You see, from here the market started making a move to the upside. So all gaps were being filled when the market was moving. Gaps were getting filled. So whenever gaps gets filled, the market would hardly come back to such area. So you see, this gap here got filled. This gap here also got filled. Yes, all these gaps has been filled. Even this gap got filled. We got this also. And you see how the market filled it. In fact, the market came to the 50%. This is the 50%. Okay, to fill this. So all of these areas has been filled, and the market is still making a move to the upside. So what I'm showing you guys right now is called a top-down analysis. Okay. So when you are on the higher time frame, you want to start analyzing from the bottom of the market. You want to see what the market has been doing um, to the you know current condition. Okay. So that way you'll be able to tell what the market is going to do in the future. So right now we have this other block. Okay, I think the market respected the one below. We have this other block that got respected. So the market respected this. All right. So the market respected this other block, and the market started making a move to the upside. Okay, and this is the 4 hour time frame. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see if we can get an entry. So the market came down to this level, and see what the market is currently doing right now. The market left this gap after this was created. Okay, so we have, sorry. So we have this change of character. Sorry, we have this break of structure here. And we have Where's my two? Okay. We have this other block. All right. So we have this other block. And see how the market respected the other block. The market just started going up immediately. It got to this area. All right. So, but something pushed this market downward. Okay, and it got pushed downward because of this. So, guys, if you are on the premium group, our XAUUSD trade has given us massive profit. All right, you can close your trades. We made massive profit from our trades. Okay, so the market is almost at TP right now. You see, this is where our TP is, and the market is here. All right, so we made good profit. So please secure your profit. All right. So let me quickly tell those that are not here to secure their profit. Guys, this is the benefit of joining my premium group. Okay. Let me quickly tell them. Let me quickly tell them to secure their profit. Right. So don't worry, before the end of our session, I'm going to share screenshots of our trades. All right. I'm going to share screenshots. I'm going to show you what we did from yesterday till this afternoon. So in case you are still doubting what we are doing there, at least when you see that, that will give you it will give you a feel of what we do on the premium group. I keep telling you guys, come and join my premium group. Let's make this money together. But you guys said no. Come and join our premium group. Okay. So the market is still running. I just want.
Leo.
Yes.
Yeah, there are, I think, just two questions.
Okay.
One says, please, okay, no, this one I think I've attended to it. Please, I'm sorry, that's Pascal. Please, I'm sorry, I was off for some days. Is there any class apart from 8 p.m. in the evening? Pascal, the class presently is just for 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Then we have a Telegram Q&A question, Q&A, and that one is just 11:30 a.m. So we have two live stream classes and one Telegram Q&A. Then somebody is asking, Leo.
Okay.
Please, my BTC USD is showing -$3. Should I go and stop the market, or it will still drop down today?
Your BTC USDT is showing -$3.
BTC USD, BTC USD.
Okay. BTC USD.
Yeah.
Guys, you see, I keep telling you this. Always analyze the market before you take an entry. Okay. So if I didn't analyze the market, there's no way for me to tell you if the market is going to come down or it will keep going up. All right. Analyze your market. Make sure you have your stop loss and your take profit. Okay. So where do I know? Even though I want to analyze the market right now, where do I know you entered the trade from? So it's not possible for me to actually tell you if this market is going to go. Okay, we have drawdowns. All right. So even though I tell you the market is going to go, leave the trade. What if the drawdown takes you out of the market later and exhaust all of your fund? So please always make sure to set your stop loss and your take profit. It's very, very important. Do not take any trade blindly. Even if you are getting signal, make sure the signal has a stop loss and the take profit. All right. So when you have your stop loss and your take profit, just leave the market to run. All right. That is the only advice I have for you. All right. So
Then, in addition to what you have just said now, I just want
okay.
to also add that BTC USDT that you are talking about, it has been on uptrend for 1 week now, straight. So, but it looks as if you are on sell. Yeah, that will it still go down today? That means you are on sell. The probability of it reversing back downward is extremely low.
It's very low.
So,
Very, very low.
so that's it. Let me move on to the next question, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
How can I leave a trade for 2 hours time frame? It's related to what you have just answered, but this is coming from Francis.
Okay. How you can leave a trade for 2 hours to run? Is that what he's asking?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. For you to be able to leave trade for 2 hours to run, then you obviously want to make your analysis from the higher time frames. All right. Do not make analysis on the lower time frame. So right now, you see, this is the lower time frame. We have the 5 minute, even 15 minutes. I consider it as a lower time frame. Okay. So if you want to make your analysis, you want to hold trade for long, then make sure to make your analysis from the 4 hour time frame. So that way you have the confidence that yes, this market is going to run for long. All right. So right now, this is the lower time frame. So every candle here, this is 5 minute time frame. So every candle here is going to take 5 minutes to finish printing. So if you calculate these candles right now, five candle here is 25 minutes. That's just it. So you see, it's not running for even an hour, just 25 minutes. All right. But if you make your analysis on the 4 hour time frame, okay. So let's say okay, um here we have a resistance. So maybe after you got the confirmation that the resistance is going to hold the market down, it's going to draw the market to the downside, then you want to come to the maybe 5 minute, 15 minute after getting your confirmation, then place your trade here. Okay, so that way your take profit and your stop loss will be set on the 4 hour time frame. So if I do this now, you see, I have my stop loss set around this area. I have my take profit set around this area. So before the market comes down to this area, it can take even 8 hours because this is the 4 hour time frame. So every candle here will take 4 hours to finish printing. Okay. So if you want to stay long in the market, make your analysis on the higher time frame. If you want to stay, for just few minutes, or maybe yes, for just few minutes, then make your analysis on the lower time frame. All right, that way you are scalping. So this trade we took on the premium group is a scalping trade, and our TP has hit. Okay, so you see this is where our TP is, and you see the market has gone above our TP. So let me just quickly show you what we were able to do on the premium group. Let me just quickly show you, all right? Because I know most of you guys here thought we are playing. So I'll just show you screenshots of what we did. Okay. So this is the trade we took from yesterday. All right. I dropped one in the morning and then I gave the same signal again around the evening. So the two signal went into profit. Okay. The two signal went into profit. We only lose the trade yesterday. And then this morning I dropped this. Okay, just few I think few hours ago I dropped this XAU USD, okay, on the premium group, and see how much I was able to make even with 0.01. All right. So guys, imagine funding your account with $15 right now, and then you get to take a trade like this. See, with this you almost made double of what you funded in your account. So this is why I keep telling you, come and join my premium group so that you get all of these benefits. All right. Even though I use zero point 0.1 here, if you use 0.01, then you'd make nothing less than $2-3. Okay. So this is what we did on our premium group, and this week has been a very successful one. We made a lot of profit. So congratulations to my premium members. All right. Let me go back to the chat. Congratulations to my premium members. We are killing it in the premium group. So if you want to get that, come and join us. Come to where money is being made. All right. So this is a one-time opportunity, no dollar. Okay. All right, guys. So our session is scheduled for just an hour, and we've exhausted that hour. Okay, we've exhausted the 1 hour session. Um, and today is Friday, and whenever we have you know a market closing in, because today the market is going to close for the whole weekend, and then by Monday the market is going to be open again. So whenever this is happening, opportunities are always limited, and the reason is because it's weekend. Okay, just as Monday opportunities, the market will start moving in a volatile way. Okay, market to move faster on Monday. So on Fridays, traders need to be very, very careful with the positions they open so they don't go into loss. All right. So guys, we've come to the end of our live session for this afternoon, for this week generally. Um we'll see again, or we'll hear from each other again on Monday. All right. So Bjorn, do you have anything you want to add or say to them before we close?
Uh, well, just one thing I want to say is the forex market is actually closed for the weekend, but if you are the type that trades on crypto and other stocks and the likes, they are open for weekend. You can always trade them on the weekend because those ones work 24/7. So aside crypto, the rest most of the times are always they will always shut down for the weekend. Then I want to implore every one of you, uh, even if you want to join the premium group, the link is still open. I'll leave it open. I'll leave the banner on this live stream till Monday before another live stream starts. So if you feel you want to join the premium group, you don't need to start looking for the banner. The banner will be there. Just click on it, make your deposit, and I'll add you first thing on Monday morning. So that's all I have for you today. If you have made profit and if you're on the premium group and you have made enough profit, please withdraw and go and enjoy yourself. Have a nice weekend, everyone.
All right, guys. Have a nice weekend. We'll see each other again on Monday, where we'll continue to make more profit. All right. And if you haven't found your account, please, you can always go there to fund your account. Just as Bjorn have said, you can always come to this live stream, even though we are not live. Okay. You can always go there, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So use that, fund your account. Once we get a confirmation, first thing on Monday, you get added to the premium group. All right. So I'll see you guys again on Monday. Bye for now. Bye, Bjorn. I'll see you on Monday.
All right, bye.